Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Finally friends, I'm back with a video on the Realme X1 Max, how to play the Battlegrounds mobile game in 90 FPS in this device. So I'm gonna give you top 5 important tips which helps you to play the 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max. So the main reason is because the Realme X1 Max has got one problem, which is Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS got capped exactly at 70 FPS after the update of 8.18. But with the 8.19, the FPS has been unlocked. Now you can actually play it 90 FPS without any kind of problem. But only few users were able to play, not all the users. Every time there's a but condition. I'm not sure why there's always a condition in the Realme phone from the starting to till now. In my case, I was able to play the 90 FPS without any kind of issues, but I'll try to explain you what are the top 5 tips I can actually give you how to play 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max device. This is another most requested question asking me to make a video, and there is a lot of confusion among the users why they are unable to get the 90 FPS and why some users are able to get the 90 FPS. Even I cannot understand why it's kind of really inconsistent from one user to other user. So let's get started with the first number tip I can give you is that wait. Yes, you need to wait for 5 to 6 hours of time, maybe 3 to 5 hours of time after you update the version. So yes friends, in my case I did wait for close to 5 hours of time. After waiting for 5 hours of time, then Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS got activated in my device. Right now you can clearly see 90 FPS. Even if you don't touch the screen also, it stays at 90 FPS. It got activated. So first step I can give you is that wait. So just wait for 5 to 6 hours. So if you cannot wait and if you want to get the 90 FPS very fast, second tip is to restart the device. Some users they did mention that restarting the phone also will help to get the 90 FPS. That's the reason I thought of letting you know as well that option. And next thing is to uninstall the game and again install the game. Yes, this is another comment which I got from a few of the users, as you can see. So restart your device and delete the BGMI and install new one. As you can, these are the comments which I got from few of my subscribers asking me to do the same thing. So this is a third tip which I can actually give you. So delete the Battlegrounds mobile game and install again. So in that way, maybe you might be able to get the 90 FPS in this Realme X1 Max. And the fourth tip, which is to clear the cache memory of the Battlegrounds mobile game. So try to go to the storage usage, try to clear the cache data, or maybe clear the cleared data as well. After you clear data and clear cache, maybe you might get the 90 FPS option, which also commented by a few of my subscribers. I can see. So clear the cache. So these are the comments which I got after clearing the cache. Few of the users were able to get the 90 FPS working in the Realme X1 Max device. Even though you did all the 4 steps but still the 90 FPS did not work, try to use the application which is called the State Edit application. So let me show you exactly. And then you need to change the peak refresh rate value to the 1. So let me go to the value which is peak refresh rate. Try to search for that kind of term. So don't try to change any values, please. Don't change. It may cause a lot of other problems. So if you're not aware, then don't install this application itself. So you need to change the peak refresh rate value to the 1 and click save. And maybe that might work. So try to use a brightness trick as well. That is another which is a previously old trick, which is already everyone knows who are using the Realme X1 Max anyway. But these are the top 5 tips I can actually give you friends in the Realme X1 Max to get the 90 FPS working in this device. So in my case, only one thing did work. I think I did restart the device and I did wait for 5 to 6 hours of time. Only then I was able to play the 90 FPS in the Battlegrounds mobile game in this device. I did not delete, I did not install again, I did not do like that. So just I did wait for 5 to 6 hours of time. So thank you for watching this video friends, and let me know in the comment section below how did you get the 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max. Did you get out of after updating immediately, or did you do waiting for some 5 hours, or maybe clearing the cache, maybe reinstalling again? Let me know in the comment section below friends, how did you get the 90 FPS. In my case, I did wait and I did restart the device. 2 steps. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.